Oh my gosh, folks, what is going on with the market today? We are taking a look at the charts, and Ethereum has just passed over $1,000. Bitcoin sitting right at under $33,000, sitting right above $33,000, 33,500. ETH passing all-time highs over $1,000. Well, actually, 1,200 I believe is the all-time high. So ETH is currently on its way to retest that all-time high here once again. And Dogecoin, what's going on with Dogecoin, boys? I don't know, man. Dogecoin is pumping right now, saying that an adult star says that she's a hodler, so that's why it's pumping. Crazy stuff. Ethereum co-founder, well, we have Ethereum news here on Forbes. Ethereum co-founder reveals unrated Bitcoin and crypto bull case amid massive price rally. So let's take a look at the articles, and we're going to take a look at the charts and go ahead and get started. Let's zoom on into it. All right, thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make. We're constantly putting out news now that the bull market rally it is continuing. There's no naysay or nothing, man. This bull market rally has gone parabolic. ETH is over $1,000 now. Things are getting wild right now. So taking a look at what's going on with Dogecoin here, the price of Dogecoin has more than doubled since the start of the new year after an adult star tweeted about been a hodler. A price move that has made stroke concerns. A recent surge in crypto prices is fueling the irrational speculation. Been holding my Doge since 2014. Much patience to the moon, tweeted Angela White on Friday night. Oh my gosh, so Angela White is apparently a star that is talking about Dogecoin now. We just had Elon Musk talk about it, and now we got Angela Starr. Very interesting, folks. It says the apparently was not enough to get some of the White's 1.3 million followers to go out and get Doge as of their own. The price of Shiba Inu, a meme-based cryptocurrency, rose as much as 203% in the past in 3 days to year to reach a total of 1 cent. And so I believe we're actually peaking here on Dogecoin too as well. So we'll take a look at the Dogecoin charts once we zoom out here. At the level, it is at about 11.81% in the last 24 hours. Doge is up 2.26, was literally created as a joke. Okay, the spike is reminiscent of Doge rise last summer as videos of TikTok encouraged users to invest in the cryptocurrency, which was a possible difference. Okay, here's to take a look at the Doge chart, and man, this is just insane right now, folks. So if we take a look at this chart, gosh, it is absolutely skyrocketing right now. So let's go over to the Ethereum news and see what's happening there, and then we'll take a look at the charts. Ethereum co-founder reveals underrated Bitcoin and crypto bull case amid massive price rally. Folks, let's see what's going on here. We have Vitalik Buterin talking about let's see. Okay, so Bitcoin has exploded since October, climbing from its long-time $10,000 per Bitcoin support level to never before seen highs of almost $35,000. The Bitcoin price added over 300% through 2020, a rally that included 50% crash in March amid the coronavirus meltdown. Meanwhile, Ethereum, the world's largest second cryptocurrency, has rallied even harder, soaring 600% over the last 12 months, folks. So you have that right, over 600% in the last 12 months. You can see it right there. Now, as Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investors try to call exactly how far this already huge rally will run, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has revealed what he thinks is an underrated bull case for crypto. Oh my gosh, folks. One of the most underrated bull cases for cryptocurrency that I have always believed is simply the fact that gold is lame. The younger generations realize that it's lame and that 9 trillion has to go somewhere. But Buterin wrote in a recent 2020 summary blog post referring to the total value of the world's mined gold. Okay, Bitcoin's reputation as digital gold has grown in the recent months, bolstered by a flurry of big-name investors that have named Bitcoin as an emerging inflation hedge. If the gold bet works, the Bitcoin bet will probably work better because it's thinner, more liquid, and has a lot more beta to it. Billionaire investor Stanley Druckenmiller, who, along the fellow investor George Soros, famously bet against the British pound in 1992. Okay. Meanwhile, repeated surveys as well as endless hilarious anecdotes, younger people are far more inclined to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies than other groups. And most of those surveys are from before the coronavirus pandemic forced governments around the world to heap even more debt on the shoulders of the young. We're now in a world where blockchain and cryptocurrencies are well poised to play an important part through the reason much more complex than many people think, and having as much as to do with cultural forces of anything financial. But Buterin wrote, arguing public blockchain-based solutions just keep quietly moving forward and gaining actual adoption, man. And so you are seeing it live right now. We're going to jump on over into the charts. Let's see. I believe that the governments will respond to these economic challenges by continuing to print fiat money without restraint and by taxing the regulating innovative new companies to protect old and dying companies. So yeah, they're just going to keep propping these markets up, folks. That's exactly what this is saying. It's basically just saying that this was Buterin's comments, that they're just going to continue to keep these companies afloat no matter how much money printing they want to do. And that's why we are inside of this crypto space, to hedge against the super hyperinflation that is to occur. Obviously, do your own due diligence. I'm just some guy on YouTube. I'm not telling you what to invest in or how to invest. Simply just here giving you information and entertainment. You know, that's pretty much it. So yeah, folks, make sure that if you are interested in investing, make sure you do your own due diligence and research, and consult with the financial institution or some type of financial investor, I guess, or whatever you call them. After an explosion started the year, has seen a broad Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market at a staggering 100 billion in just a few short days. 2021 looks set to be a big one for crypto, and I have no idea. 2021 is going to be a year to remember for the cryptocurrency people. So let's jump on over into the charts here and get started, folks. All right, taking a look at Bitcoin, we just had a buy signal pop off, and I did go ahead and confirm that. You can see that we're starting to actually get a nice little bounce here off of our EMA on our 90-minute time frame. We were keeping a close eye on our 3-hour chart. We never got a test down to the 21 EMA, but you could see that our 21 EMA has been holding nice support for us in our past couple of little bull cycles as well. And so now that we're starting to continue up here, we're going to keep a closer eye on probably some of these smaller time frames. Maybe the 2-hour does seem to be holding support here on the 21 EMA. Now that we're having a nice little bounce here too, we're definitely looking for a retest back up to this trend line here, 34,800 or so, and maybe even retest our next extension level at 1618 at $36,000. So if Bitcoin is to do that, I would definitely think it could do that in the next couple of hours. This is the 2-hour time frame here. Our 90-minute has given us a nice Cipher B trigger wave here, or actually this would just be a tight momentum wave ready to skyrocket back to the upside on the 90-minute time frame. Bitcoin price sitting right at around $33,600 or so, and yeah, definitely looks like Bitcoin's ready to come back up and retest some of those higher highs. I would just say that the 12-hour chart is giving us a red dot here on Cipher B, so we need to be just a little weary. Our money flow is going to keep us afloat on these lower time frames, though. As of right now, it does look like our 15-minute has started to recover just a tad bit, with our money flow starting to move back in the upside direction here. As you can see, our 10-minute also kind of moving back into that greenish area for us too as well on our market Cipher B. So folks, if y'all are interested in picking up our paid for indicators that we use, such as the market Cipher indicator by CryptoFace, we use the TI sequential by ToneVase, and the market guide buy and sell signal, you can find some of those links in the description box below if you want to pick them up, and if you're interested in making your charts kind of look like ours too, with our paid for indicators down here. So CryptoFace has been a big supporter of our channel, and he left a nice comment on our Doge video the other day, but it looks like we need to take a look at Doge again. So let's see what's going on with Doge, and then we'll jump over into Ethereum, taking a look at the altcoins. Where is our Doge, baby? That Shinobi little doggy. Where is the little doggy coin at? Doggy coin getting a nice retracement back up here on the 2-hour chart. We did draw our fib extension levels out for us as well. We're currently probably looking for a test all the way up to our top extension, maybe at about 2 cents or so. Doge is just looking tremendously bullish here on our 2-hour chart. You can see here that we're also getting a nice tight momentum wave to push us back to the upside. Money flow heading back in the upside direction too on Dogecoin too as well. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, it does look like our momentum waves are still kind of headed in a downwards direction, but we do have our VWAP that's also ready to clip back to the upside, possibly going to give us another green dot here in the short-term future too as well. Taking a look at the price, it's still sitting at 1 cent, and then taking a look at our candles here, it looks like we're starting to get a nice little bounce off of our 21 EMA, off of our 4-hour, and then if we zoom out here, we can also see that we've held nice support on our 21 EMA on our 2-hour time frame, and our 2-hour time frame also has this momentum wave that is looking like it's ready to bounce back to the upside. Let's go over into ETH, folks. Last but not least, taking a look at the new all-time high for, or not all-time high, but ready to retest that all-time high. Let's zoom out here on ETH. taking a look at the 1 day chart, and maybe even going into the 3 day chart just to see where our all-time high is exactly at. Let's draw a horizontal line out for us here too as well. So ETH right at about $1,400 or so. That's where we're looking to retest as of right now. We could probably draw some fib extensions out here for us too as well, if we choose to. Let's see what's going on here on our 3 day, drawing out our fib extension levels for us. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. This was during our last little correction down here to the bottom side, and I would say that we had a nice little sell-off too, some consolidation happening right about here, and this would be probably a nice area to see when we could have some movements to the upside. Actually, you know what, I'm going to take this down one more level for us on ETH. So let's see here. This was our last little previous cycle here. This was at the beginning of the pandemic, and ETH kind of moved to the side. Or we could start, let's start from here. This was after it broke its downwards resistance trend line. So let's take a look at our moon phase from here on out. If we are to move here to our high and then bring it down to our low for our fib extensions, it looks like we are moving up through the 2618 area, and our next extension would be right at about the 1618 area too as well. So our second this is our 3618. So our 1618 has already been breached, and our 3618 is sitting right underneath our all-time high level too as well. So we can go ahead and mark that right at about $1,200 or so. So ETH is definitely looking like it's ready to keep moving up to that top side. Momentum wave here on the 1 day chart is still moving to the upside here too as well. VWAP looks relatively bullish for the most part. You can see our VWAP and our momentum waves are also moving to the upside here on the daily time frames. Taking a look at the 12-hour, let's just see if there's any sign of man, ETH just came out of nowhere, but it's hard to, ETH is really hard on the hard to trade on the lower time frames. It's hard to view. There's a lot of choppiness, so we've really just been keeping a close eye on our higher time frames. And what we're looking at right now is our 2 day chart. We can see on Cipher B, our momentum wave has just been steadily moving to the upside. No sign of any red dots yet. Our VWAP is still kind of sitting above our 0 pivot point too as well. ETH is definitely looking like it's ready to come back up and retest $1,200 or so. So that's what we're going to be keeping a close eye on for ETH, somewhere right around in this vicinity. And yeah, ETH right now is sitting at $1,200 or $1,020. So ETH is definitely mooning right now too as well, along with some of our alts in our trading group page. Guys, if y'all are interested in learning how we're trading this market, learning about some of the alts that we're getting into right now too as well, definitely come over there and join us on our Patreon page. If you want to pay in crypto, you can message me on Discord or send me an email, and I'd be happy to let you pay with crypto too as well. So I just put my last post on Patreon, and I think from here on out I will be posting everything to the Discord page in our private category on Discord. So if you want to pay in crypto, you can message me on Discord or shoot me an email, and I'll tell you how you can get started with that. But yeah, this is definitely looking like Bitcoin's ready to bounce. Ethereum probably set to move into that $1,200 range too as well on its next bounce. But folks, this is just completely amazing, outstanding stuff that's going on here. Bitcoin probably coming back up to $34,000 here in the near term future. So get ready for that. I'm going to go ahead and upload this before it decides to keep going higher. But no telling where it's going to go as of right now. Definitely trying to look probably to retest or break through this resistance trend line here, folks. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make on this channel. And make sure that you share this video with your friends and family, so that way they can stay up to date with things that are going on inside the crypto space. And yeah, any of the affiliate links down below also help support the channel, but I would really appreciate if you smash that thumbs up button. I'll see y'all in the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.